In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through HubSpot for merging contacts, a task that can streamline your CRM efforts and ensure you maintain an organized database. Let's begin by accessing the essential tools we need. First, open your browser and head over to the user guide on HubSpot. If you're logging in for the first time or need a refresher, remember that this is your starting point for accessing various functionalities within HubSpot. Once you're on the user guide page, find and click on the CRM tab. This tab is your gateway to customer relationship management, where you handle everything related to your contacts, leads, and more. Now, with just a click, you're opening the door to managing your database efficiently. Next, click on the Contacts section. This is where all your valuable data, such as customer details and interaction summaries, are housed. Remember, this page should be a hub of activity for you, filled with actionable insights and the most up-to-date information on your prospects and clients. As you navigate through the contacts list, find an individual named Brian Halligan who serves as a sample contact. Click on Brian's name. It might be the case that you want to see specific details about this contact, from past interactions to potential deals, all of which are displayed here. This step is crucial in ensuring you examine the correct contact who may need merging. With Brian Halligan's contact profile open, direct your attention to the Actions button. By clicking on Actions, a drop-down menu will appear, showcasing an array of options you can execute for this particular contact. This menu is a powerful tool as it offers actions that can be pivotal in managing and clearing up overlapping information within your CRM. Look for the Merge option in the drop-down and select it. The Merge function allows you to combine duplicate entries, streamlining your data and preventing the clutter that duplicate contacts can cause. This is particularly useful if you find that the same individual has multiple profiles or data entries within your contact list, and merging them consolidates all pertinent info into a single, cohesive record. Finally, confirm the merge by clicking Merge once again. This second click may feel repetitive, but it's designed to ensure precision and prevent any accidental merges. It's always a good safety measure to have an additional step of confirmation. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through HubSpot and executed a merge function for contacts. This process is essential in maintaining a clean, efficient database, and now you're equipped with the knowledge to handle it with ease. Keep practicing, and soon it will become second nature. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.